Hey there family, it feels like forever since my last video, which was technically done a year ago in 2020. So much has transpired, but I am happy that I'm able to share another video with you today. I have 3 DIYs I like to share with you. I'm looking to adding a touch of Christmas and was inspired by the look of a cabin style theme. I'm using not your traditional Christmas colors such as reds, greens, and whites, but going for my favorites, which is browns and cream, and keeping things neutral along with wood textures. Here are my inspiration photos. And let's begin with DIY number 1.
I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight. But his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight.
I took the time off camera to cut the ends of the craft sticks to cover up the inside of the wood crates and creating a top for the truck. I decided to add streaks of black paint to it to help achieve a wood antique look to this truck.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will.
And here is the ending results of my dump truck. On to DIY number 2. I wasn't into putting up the traditional tree this year. I wanted to get out of my comfort zone and go for a pine cone Christmas tree. Let's get started.
I'm smiling but feeling empty inside.
As you see, I'm just gluing the cones, making sure I kind of match up the sizes of them because some of them are a bit bulkier than the other. I started from the bottom and working my way up.
And my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Tonight.
Here you see the white foam of the cone, so I decided to use the bag that the pine cones came in, which is a brown fishnet, as you see here. And what I'm going to do is actually cut them to sizes and fill in the gaps.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is.
And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I didn't want you to see the struggle I went through putting this bow together, so I did this off camera as well.
His love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Hey, Santa, sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is.
And lastly, here is DIY number 3. I was always into the look of birch wood logs. It's so pretty and comforting. But as we all know, it can be quite expensive. So I decided to get pool noodles and mimic the wood look under a friendly budget. Let's get busy.
So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight.
Here I am taking pieces of the masking tape and bunching them all up together to kind of give them the knot pieces you usually see on a real log. I now will be applying spackle to give it a lumpy kind of effect.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him.
So as you see, I use a combination of white, black, and brown paint to really try to achieve that wood look. And not for nothing, I think I came close enough.
Nothing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight.
is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter. Let us make
Well, my family and friends, I hope I inspired you with my DIYs today, leaving you with lots of hope, joy, and cheers. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. From my family to yours, have a Merry Christmas.